Start the day with a protein-packed punch. You can skip the cereal because these breakfasts keep you feeling fueled and powerful all day long. Becca Jackson is joining me in the kitchen to share. It's great to have you. Great to see you.
Thank you so much.
Breakfast, we hear, most important meal of the day, and you're adding kind of asterisk to that. We need some protein.
Yes.
We need some protein.
Yeah, it's getting the protein to kind of boost our metabolism, kind of get everything going. And honestly, I feel like having a good source of protein at the beginning of the day kind of helps you feeling full and satisfied and not craving things, or I kind of set you up for the rest of the day, making good food choices the rest of the day.
Amen. And from the mom lens, can I just say, it feels like the ace card. Like,
yes.
There's a few ace cards I can play during the day that I feel good about my mom.
What'd you eat this morning?
Yeah, breakfast. We did good with breakfast. You say we want to aim to have 3 different things on our plate.
Yeah, so we love it. I'm gonna kind of we're gonna do all at once. So I think the biggest thing is feeling like people don't have time for breakfast, but we're gonna show you do. So I think the biggest thing is having a carb and some protein and a little bit of fat. So it's kind of finding a good balance. So right here, this is a nice, quick, easy way to bake an egg. And honestly, breakfast is like my multitasking meal where I'm like, okay, I'm gonna put that in there and then I'm gonna go braid someone's hair while that's cooking.
Yes, ma'am.
And then, I'll make this while I'm hurrying and tying someone's shoe. Or
that's how it goes.
So it's kind of like a multitasking thing. So we're gonna let this is gonna be our little egg sandwich here.
Okay.
So we're gonna let that cook. We're gonna start this. So you can do, I just like good old butter. I mean, I'm not gonna.
Well, there's that fat you were talking about, right?
There's our fat, perfect. And so yeah, we got our carbs, fats, protein, kind of having good balance, a little bit of everything.
What are we making here?
We're gonna do eggs.
Okay.
But not only that, we're gonna add in this is another sort of carbs, but it's our nutrients. So we got zucchini and peppers and makes it colorful and beautiful.
Yep.
Add a little bit of crunch. So nice and easy. I love scrambling eggs. It kind of makes them a little light and fluffy. I just do it all together. Just scramble those right in. So I had butter, extra little bit of flavor.
There it is.
We're gonna add a little bit of salt. Okay, and then here's kind of my secret with these eggs. A little extra protein. Like I said, we wanted more than just scrambled eggs. Is to add cottage cheese to scrambled eggs. Have you ever done this?
I've never done this. I've never even heard of this.
I'm gonna grab this spoon.
Okay.
So I think the trick is I kind of hold it, so you want the least amount of moisture as possible.
Okay.
So you don't want them to be like runny eggs either. But it's gonna make, it's cheese, it's cottage cheese, so it's gonna make it a little more creamy. It's gonna melt.
This is a great idea.
And a little extra protein.
Awesome idea.
So we just add that right in.
I'm also sitting here saying, why do I scramble my eggs in a separate bowl? Why do I do this to myself? Right in the skillet.
Right? Yeah,
save a dish. Save a dish.
Oh, we're just throwing it all over. So that's done.
Beautiful.
We're here and eat that with like a slice of toast.
And you're done.
And that is a heaping serving, but like
that's fantastic.
You and your family. So while that's cooking, look, our cute little egg is already done over here.
Yes.
So we're just gonna take this
is kind of, can I say it, kind of the homemade Egg McMuffin?
Yes, exactly.
Okay.
It's there. It's our little egg. And I put that Parmesan cheese on that. I don't know, I kind of threw that on there without saying anything. So we had our little Parmesan cheese for a little extra salty flavor.
Delish.
And then we just got some bacon on there.
Bacon.
So that's done.
Oh my gosh! And look how fast you're proving it.
There.
You're proving it fast and furious with all the. And we're still steaming over there.
It's still steaming.
Breakfast is hot.
Ready.
Coming in hot.
A greens drink. So this is something made ahead of time, easy, quick to grab. Is our Greek yogurt. Add a little bit granola, berries, and then that's like a nut butter. That's your fat. So you got your carbs and your protein. Nice, good balance there.
If I put like Nutella or peanut butter on anything, it almost becomes dessert to them, right?
Same.
What did you say was in this drink?
So just like a greens drink.
Oh, okay.
Some sort of juice, get some more nutrients and flavor in your meal.
More vitamins, yep.
Yeah.
Okay.
So
one more idea?
Okay, so this is one more. So this is an overnight oats.
I am committing to do these this year.
Yes, it's huge, especially like for my husband. He loves it when I make these because when he's quick and he can eat them like on his way to work.
Yeah.
And so honestly, I throw it in a Tupperware where it's basically you're doing a 2-to-1 ratio where twice as much milk as oats.
Okay.
So I have a cup of milk, a half a cup of oats, and then this is protein powder. So once again, you're getting a little extra protein. It's about a half a scoop or half a serving of protein powder.
Okay.
And you can either stir that up, but honestly, I love putting it in this Tupperware because you can just shake it up.
Oh, look at you.
Put it in the kitchen and it will set. So it's kind of like a soft, almost like rice pudding texture in the morning.
Can you shake while you braid?
Yeah. Oh, yep. Or no, you just give it to your child.
Okay.
Shake this.
While I braid.
While I braid your hair.
I'm starting to slip into that
go.
back to school mentality. Are we ready for this?
I know. Ready or not.
I'm like picturing the mornings. Like,
yeah. Well, and it's been fun as like my girls have gotten older, like they've recognized the importance of breakfast too.
Yeah.
Like even this morning, my daughter had tumbling and she was kind of tired afterward. I was like, well, what'd you eat for breakfast? She's like, oh, you're right. I didn't eat that much. I didn't eat, and so it's reminding the kids that like it's important for them, but also it's important for them to see mom eat breakfast.
Yeah.
And say, hey, like we're busy. Mom needs a minute. Like hurry and eat breakfast.
Set that healthy example that doesn't have to be belabored or overdone. So again, that combination you like is
just carbs, fats, and protein.
Carb, fat,
making
protein.
sure you have a solid protein in your breakfast. So it'll just keep you more full, helps build lean muscle, boost that metabolism, and just kind of jumpstart you for your whole day.
Oh, you've given us so many good ideas today. The scrambled eggs with the cottage cheese. Can't wait to try that.
Extra protein.
And the veggies. We've got the homemade egg sandwich in the waffle maker, which I have that. I'm going to be doing that.
Quick,
the yogurt with the...
And that even you can just keep in the yogurt cup and just add some fruit and just grab it on the way out the door. And then this is just, if you're really in a hurry, just protein powder and some milk.
Yeah.
And you're on your way.
Okay.
Grab a slice of toast.
Love all of these ideas. And they're so needed and will come in handy the next couple of weeks. Thank you so much.
Yes, of course.
Where can we get more breakfast ideas from you?
I am on Instagram at If the Cookie Fits.
Okay. And do you mind if I call out your helpers today?
Oh,
do you mind?
No, they'll love
Saxon, can you say hello to our little assistants on the side? Is that okay? I mean, you can say hello to them, but your camera could say hello to them as well.
Like,
hi, girls. You ready for back to school?
Yes.
Okay, your mom's ready with all these great breakfasts.
They're
You're so lucky.
ready.
Okay, If the Cookie Fits on Instagram, cutest girls. Thank you so much.
Yeah, thanks.
Great to have you.